Hello everyone! Now today's video is going to be all about this accent wall behind me. I'm going to be showing you how we made this accent wall for super cheap. Now I am going to say we did have this fireplace done a few years ago when we got our bedroom done, but I ended up changing up some stuff. So we fixed the front and we added in a new mantle. So I love it, it looks really nice. And for those of you who don't know, this room, our master bedroom and our master bathroom, used to be a garage, but we transformed it into a beautiful master suite. So I have some videos I will link below if you haven't seen those of our actual bedroom, and then we just finished our master bath. Well anyways, we are doing updates to our room, like decor wise, and I really wanted to finish this wall. So I'm going to be showing you how we did it for very cheap. So if you want to see how we did it, then please continue to watch. So to start with, I found this paneling at Home Depot and I thought it would be perfect for the bottom part of our wall. So we started by using some liquid nails to attach it to the bottom half of the wall. And then my husband took some common boards to fix the mantle. So as you can see, I'm going to include a clip here of what our mantle looked like before. It was very basic, very small. So what we did was just attach the common boards on top of what we already had. And then we placed an old piece of barnwood on top to make a really pretty mantle. My husband used a top rail piece that was 1x3. Piece of wood that was flat against the wall was a 1x4. But this made a really nice little ledge that I'll be able to put picture frames or decor on top. I originally had 2 boxes of the paneling, but I was able to return one because one was just enough. When I first got them, I was thinking I wanted to like double them. But then when my husband and I got to talking, we thought it would be nice to just continue from the mantle on over. This is all common board that my husband cut. This design kind of goes with the design of our wall in our living room. So that's what we wanted to continue on here. And then we also put a little ledge up here so I can even put some frames or something up at the top. And then we also have one more piece of barnwood. So we bought a bunch of barnwood a year or so ago, and we've been putting it throughout our house, and we made some shelves for our other wall in our living room, so we're going to use that for the mantle. So that will look really nice and that'll tie in well. Today I'm just going to go ahead and paint everything white, and then I'm going to put some decor on it, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. We're also planning on putting some hooks, just 2 on each side to keep it simple. I love to keep things symmetrical, and that's what I'm going for over here. So we put this faux fireplace in whenever we redid this room. So this used to be a garage that we turned into a master bedroom. It's just been very basic. We never did anything else with it, and we've always had something like this in mind. We're just now getting to it though. And I'm really grateful that we're able to do this so cheap. So since we did this, this was probably pretty pricey. I don't remember the exact price. I think total I've only spent $170 on wood. So I also wanted to add, my husband went through and caulked all the seams on here. So that looks really nice. So now it's ready for me to paint. And then also I wanted to quickly say everything is from Home Depot. Everything we've used for the sides, and then the stone, this fireplace, everything we got from Home Depot. The only thing that's not will be the barnwood that's across the top. And I will leave down in the description the size boards we used and how many, in case you are wanting to do something similar. So I went ahead and went through with some high gloss white paint, and I had a chair pushed up to my doorway here so the kids wouldn't come in here with the wet paint. But they were fine, they just kept checking in on me. They were destroying the rest of the house while I was painting. But anyways, I had to go through and give this wall about 3 coats. But here I'm just showing you how I did 1 coat to cover everything. If only this is how fast it really went while you're painting. I felt like this took me all day, which it pretty much did. But I just love how bright it makes our wall. It just pops so much. So yeah, I just went through and just hand brushed all of the paint on, and I just love how it all came together at the end. So my husband went ahead and attached these 2 hooks on each side. I thought the black popped really, really nice against the white, and I like how I just stuck with 2 for each side, so it's very subtle.
'Cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time.
So to start decorating, I went ahead and just took these Target candlesticks and I put a bigger one and a smaller one on each side. I feel like you can never go wrong with candlesticks on a mantle. It's such a classic look. Then for one of the hooks on the right side here, I hung a little Turkish towel that kind of looked like a scarf, and I also put one of my sun hats on top of it. I then took some wedding pictures. So these are canvas photos of our wedding day, and they have this whitewood frame. I thought they would look really nice just propped up here on this ledge. Then I took this Target basket of flowers, and I thought it would look really pretty hung on the hook on the other side. So that adds a bright color over here so it's not just so black and white. And then I also decided to add some more of our wedding photos. I love to keep things symmetrical if you can't tell. Then I took this basket full of toys and I just decided to put a blanket over top of it. So I do this for every room in our house. We have toys everywhere. So to keep me sane, I like to keep a cute tote where I can just throw random toys that are in a room into it, and then it still looks nice and it's just easy. So that's what I did here in the corner.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights.
Alright, I hope you guys liked watching our wall transformation. It's made such a big difference in our room. Every night when I go to bed, I love being able to see this as our view. It's just very pretty. I actually already have some plans for decorating this wall for the fall time and for Christmas. You guys, I am already so excited for fall. I've been looking at fall decorations, watching fall videos. I'm getting so hyped for it, and I'm going to be bringing you guys some fall content very soon. I will be showing you guys fall items sooner than later, since that is what I do. I like to stay up on the seasons to give you guys ideas. So definitely stay tuned for a lot of fall decor videos from me in the near future. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed day.
Adventure.